Hi, in this video I'll be showing you this. It's the Neff B3ACE4HGOB integrated oven. And what I want to do today is to show you around the oven, some of the features and benefits that it offers. Just before I start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, just give us a quick thumbs up. This is part of Neff's N50 range of ovens, and it is actually available in two colours. Now this is the colour which is the graphite, that's the GOB. There is also the NOB, which is the stainless steel. The colour is like the one above. Now from the camera, especially from the view that you've got, you might struggle to see the difference. But I must admit, the graphite, when you see it in the flash, it's a really nice colour. And it's like a fingerprint-free graphite metal finish. And what you will find is that will be a lot easier to keep clean than the stainless steel finish. I mean, even on this, this is just a microwave, part of the Neff range, and that's got fingerprints on. So I think what we're finding is that more people are tending to shy away from stainless steel now. Part of the reason we sell so many of these ovens, and one of the main selling features on this model, is something called slide and hide. And it's that. So basically, when you open the door, it will slide and then hide underneath. Now that is a fantastic design. No other manufacturer has got that at the moment. Not saying they won't in the future, but at the moment I know Neff have got this patented. And if you've got, say, limited access within your kitchen, if you've got a small galley kitchen, or if you struggle to get around the door to either take the food in or out, or just basting the food in there, then that's a really good design. And again, that's why we sell so many of these ovens. When you open the door, you will find that you've got 4 levels in here. On the top 2, so on this one and this one, you've got just the standard wire shelves. They come standard with the oven. And you can change those around, say, the top 3. The real gem in this oven is this. This is something called flexible clip rails, and as well as having an oven tin, or a grill pan as some people call it, so that just comes out. That can sit on here. And the beauty of this is that it just allows you to pull this out, and if you wanted to, say, turn your potatoes over or baste the meat, then you can do that nice and safely, knowing that it's not going to fall out or drop on the floor. And then once you finish, just push it back in. Now this has a 71 litre capacity. For some people, you're not really sure what 71 litres is like compared to other models. So all I'll do is I'll just measure that for you. Because what some people want to do is want to compare the size of this oven to the current one they've got. And if they can't find any specification on their old one, then they just want to measure it. So as far as the width, you're looking around 46 centimetres, around 18 inches. The height, you're looking at 34 centimetres, or just around 13¼ inches. And the depth, so front to back, if I was going to the front of the shelf here, then you're looking at 38 centimetres, around 15 inches. When it comes to the control panel at the top, there's quite a lot to talk about here. First of all, you have got a little display in the middle, and that will normally show you some things like when it's heating up. Also, it shows the time on there, which can be really useful. On the right hand side, you've got the pop-in, pop-out control. It's the same on the left hand side here. I really like these, and it's something that does go down very well with customers, especially if you are into keeping your oven clean and just maintaining the look of it. I quite like the option of being able to just pop the controls back in when you're not using it. But first of all, temperature wise, it goes from 50 up to 270 degrees. So it's a really good range of temperatures. Now things like 50 degrees, I suppose that kind of setting will mainly be used for things like proving bread, or if you want to warm your plates. I'm really pleased that Neff have gone or made the temperature that low. The next option on there, you've got a little symbol. You probably won't be able to see it from there, but that's called an easy clean function. And all you do is you combine that with an option around here, and this just really helps to get some of the lightly soiled dirt off the inside of the oven. It's basically a cleaning program. But as far as the programs themselves, I'll quickly run through them. So first of all, you've got the rapid heating. As it says, it rapidly preheats the oven. So if you really wanted to get it up to temperature very quickly, then that's the main one to use. The next option on here is called the Circotherm Hot Air. And with this allows you to bake and roast on one or more levels. What it will do is the fan distributes the heat from the ring-shaped heating element at the back of the wall evenly around the cooking compartment. So that's really good if you're doing things like a Sunday roast, and if you've got, say, your meat and potatoes, and if you've got Yorkshire puddings, and cooking quite a few different things in there. It's really good just to evenly distribute the air around the oven. The next one is this. So this is called Circotherm Gentle, and this cooks gentle dishes gently on one level without preheating. So again, this can go from 120 up to 230 degrees. And what this will do is this distributes the heat from the ring-shaped heating element at the back, on the back wall, evenly around the cooking compartment. So it's pretty much the same as the first option on here. But what this can do, this can actually use the residual heat within the compartment, and this is the setting that they use to get the energy label. I'll talk about the energy label in a moment, but I suppose the main advantage is it's a lot more energy efficient, that program. The next option on here is the pizza setting. This is good for dishes or pizzas, as it says, that require a lot of heat from below. So the bottom heating element and the ring-shaped heating element, I put my teeth back in the back wall, heat the cooking compartment. Then we've got the easy clean that I just explained that a minute ago. Then you've got the bottom heating, so that's for final baking or cooking food in a bain-marie. Heating is emitted from below. Then you come on to some of the grill options. So this is a full surface grill. So if you wanted to, say, cook a complete tray of sausages on here, then that's the main one to use. So grill flat items such as steak and sausages, or maybe toast. And the entire area underneath the grill element becomes hot. This one, so this is a really good option. This is called Circo Roasting. This is where you can roast poultry, whole fish and larger pieces of meat. The grill element and the fan switch off and on alternately, and the fan circulates the hot air around the food. So that's good for, I suppose, a bit more even cooking compared to the full surface grill. As you come to the next option, this is the top and bottom heating. This is more traditional bacon roast on one level. This type of heating is ideal for cakes or things with moist toppings. Then the heat is evenly distributed from the top and the bottom part of the oven. Then the final option is the light. Now, I know some people are thinking, well, why do I just want a light? What you can do, when it comes to cleaning the oven, I explained a bit about the easy clean option here, but you can actually take all of these out. So I'm not going to do it at the moment, but you can unclip all of these rails and take everything out, which just makes life so much easier for cleaning. But if you want to do that, sometimes depending on how much light you've got in your kitchen, you could find that it might be a little bit dark in here. You might not be able to see. So what Neff have done is they've given us the option to just have a light on in there. So there's no heat, there's nothing else. So all you need to do is just put that control back in, select the light, and then that can make life a whole lot easier for you. Now you do have the option to remove the door if you wanted to. All you need to do is just pop a screwdriver into the side here and the side there, unlock the little mechanism, and as you do that, you've got two options. You've got two coin slots in the side there. You just need to turn it a small amount, and then once you've done that, then the whole door will come out. So that just can make life so much easier for cleaning as well. Just show the energy label on the oven, just showing it's an A rating. So for this kind of oven, that's not too bad. It's just got some of the different energy consumptions depending on which settings you're using. Also just show you it's a 71 litre oven. That's something that has to be stated on the energy label. If you're thinking about buying one of these ovens, I have provided a link below to show you where to get one at a competitive price. I've done one for the stainless steel and one for the graphite colour because they are completely different models. It's just the GOB at the end and the NOB that denotes which colour it is. But apart from that, all the features and benefits are exactly the same as I've shown you throughout the video. All I'd normally say is please subscribe to my YouTube channel, give us a quick thumbs up, leave any comments below. I'd always ask for comments, whether it's good or bad, about the video. If there's something that you want me to show you, I know I've not got it plugged in at the moment. Sometimes it can be a little bit difficult getting these things connected in the showroom. But if there's something else that you want to know about the oven, if you've got any questions, just pop it in the comments box at the bottom. Also, if you have got one of these ovens, or if you have got a neff-slide-and-hide oven like this, then let me know what you think about it, because I do always appreciate the feedback. Thanks for watching.